I'm searching through the land for the tallest tree. I know that when I find it, well, it will set me free. The path is long and winding, and my steps are weary too. But when I find the tallest tree, I know I'll be with you, be with you. I've wandered dusty deserts, I've been to hot and rocky places. I've walked along the city streets, I've seen lots of confused faces. The barren and the destitute appear at every turn. I've heard of worn-torn children that make my insides churn, insides churn. I've splashed along the rainy streets, I've seen faces lined with pain. I've even tried to shelter with commuters on the train. I've sought wide open spaces on the hillsides and the moors. But every time I look for you, I only found closed doors, found closed doors. Then without a journey, I traveled many miles. I flashed across the universe without a single trial. I saw your beaming face looking down at me. Then I knew that finally I'd found the tallest tree, tallest tree. Tallest tree, tallest tree, tallest tree, tallest tree.